In this Retirement Basics video, we will be talking about the impacts of divorce or the dissolution of a domestic partnership on your pension benefit from Santa Barbara County Employees Retirement System. What happens if you divorce, legally separate, or dissolve a registered domestic partnership? Well, because California is a community property state, your SB retirement benefits that are earned during your marriage or your registered domestic partnership are considered community property and they are subject to division. This means that the service credit that you accrue during that marital period or domestic partnership could be divided in a 50-50 fashion or in some other mutually agreed upon fashion, but it does need to be documented through the divorce or dissolution proceedings, and SB needs to partner with you through that process so that we understand the division of that asset and how to proceed with your account. To ensure that there is smooth processing of your benefits should a change in marital status occur, it really is important for you to reach out to SB as soon as you are able to do so that we can walk through this process with you. Where can you get more information about the division of member accounts either before or after retirement? Well, SB has developed guidelines to assist our members who are undergoing a dissolution of marriage or the termination of a domestic partnership. We've listed these in our website, and these guidelines and instructions will give you a good overview of the process regarding the division of your account. We also encourage parties to consult with their counsel to assist them in preparing the necessary legal documents. And doing this during the course of the proceedings of your dissolution is a much more beneficial time to go through this process than to do so afterwards. So if you are facing a legal separation, a divorce, or a dissolution, partnering with SB through that process will allow us to assist you to resolve the matters quickly, comprehensively, and move forward. So there are a couple of different steps to address your pension account. You will want to notify SB of any change in marital status or California registered state domestic partnership. You will want to submit to SB a conformed court-stamped copy of your final judgment, including any marital settlement agreement. Also, if your court order requires a division of your asset, you'll want to file a joinder and forward it to SB then obtain a domestic relations order, which is a DRO. There are two different types of DROs. There is a DRO A, which is when your account has not yet been made into a pension benefit. You are still actively employed or not yet retired, and your account is still service credit. That is a DRO A. In a DRO A, a portion of your service credit may be granted to your ex. In a DRO B, you have already retired and are now proceeding through a dissolution. And your benefit is no longer service credit, it is actually a dollar amount that is paid to you in a monthly benefit. That benefit may be subject to division, that a certain amount would be granted to your ex. You'll want to join us in this process by filing the joinder and then obtaining a domestic relations order. If you did not address this asset in a prior judgment, there is a remedy. A waiver of asset must be provided to SB And then once all of the legal proceedings have concluded and the sufficient documentation has been provided to SB you would inform SB of any other orders and you would change your beneficiary at that time. So it is a complicated process if it is not one that we are able to step with you through as it's occurring. So we do ask that you contact us as soon as you possibly can, because we want to be there with you to assist you through this process. So please contact us at benefits@sbsers.org, and we will provide you with the guidelines that will assist you through this process and point you in the right direction to get the issue resolved quickly, comprehensively, so that you may move forward with your pension benefit or with whatever your desires are as far as your retirement planning without any impediments. Thank you very much.